Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your iPhone 11. Um, there are a few tweaks that you may need to install if you haven't got them installed already. Those three tweaks are Filza File Manager, A12 Custom Resfix, and you'll also need System Info. The sources, I'll give you the sources in the link in the description below, and you'll need Files of File Manager just to install A12 Custom Resfix because it's not on a repo. I'll share a web URL in the description as well where to get A12 System Resfix, A12 Custom Resfix, sorry. So let's just get started with this for you now. So let's go into Cydia. Make sure we got all the correct sources installed. So the first source you will need is ARX8X's repo. I'll put that in the description below. The other repo that you will need is TG Software's repo, which you can just type into Google like this and you'll find it. It's that one there. Just click on that one. Press open in Cydia, install source. Wait for that to install. So now we've got the two sources that we needed to add. What we can do now is just install system info. If you haven't got it installed already, just install it. And you'll need Files and File Manager. So install, press confirm. Wait for that to install. Return to Cydia. And so then the third thing you'll need is this deb, which you'll have a link to this website in the description just below. Click on that package just there, ARM64 Darwin, press download. It should download, open it, share it to Filza, install it. Once it's installed, press respring. Swipe up to unlock. And then, so now that that one's installed, you got system info installed as well. All you'll need to do now, if A12 Custom Resfix isn't down here, what you'll need to do is install PreferenceLoader. You'll probably already have this because of installing other tweaks, but if you've just set up your device as fresh, you'll need to install PreferenceLoader because it'll be missing all of your tweaks from settings otherwise. So now if we go back down, we now have A12 Custom Resfix. You'll only ever need this if you have a notched device. So if you have a bar at the top, then you'll need to switch on, use the 6.1 inch bar. We've got a 6.1 inch display being the iPhone 11. So we switch that one on and we switch enable on, and we need to make sure that we switch on enable safeguard as well. What this does is if we completely mess up the resolution and we go into a respring loop, what that will allow us to do is just hold this power button for 3 seconds and it should reset the resolution back to the original state so that you don't lose your jailbreak basically. Once that's done, we press respring, and now what you'll find is the status bar has gone back to normal. We'll just wait for that to respring. I think it just crashed. That's fine. Press restart. Swipe up to unlock. Now you may need to do this a few times, so it's kind of cool that I'm doing this with no cover-ups. If I go through the mistakes, then it will just help you. Yeah, so I reckon you're going to need to do this a few times. Use the 6.1 inch bar, press respring. There we go. So after a few resprings, it goes back to normal. So it is the 6.1 inch bar that you use. Just keep on respringing until it basically comes back to normal. Once that's done, you're all ready to change the resolution. So go back up to display. And now what you'll find is that you have an extra feature now where you can change the resolution. I always change, you can customize and put your own custom resolution, but I always find it best using the pre-configured resolutions that are in the settings already for you. So let's just choose this one, for example. Press set and then press set again, and it should respring, and that's it. The only thing that you need to note is there are a few teething problems with this. The keyboard is misaligned, but you can get around that by installing a third-party keyboard from the App Store, like Google Keyboard or whatever. But that's it. If you want to change your resolution back to normal, you literally just go to display resolution, press reset, and it takes you back to normal. But that's it. If you ever did get into a respring loop and it goes blank, you just hold that for 3 seconds, the side button, and it will change your resolution back to normal. That's it. Thanks for watching.